Okay, fine. That's good. So, uh, in our last class, we did um IPAC nomenclature, right? So, and we gave us the rules in naming organic compound. Can you hear me, please, everybody? Can we hear? Okay, that's nice. So now, today we've done something on alkane family. So alkane family. So, and we should have known with what we did, we should have known exactly um how to name organic compound. Yes or no? Are we together? Okay, coming. Just give me some seconds. I'm coming. Fine. So I'll just give you um one example here. So we will try and name it. So let me just write those compound. So can someone tell us the name for this compound? Can someone name this compound? Who can tell us the name for this compound? Can someone tell me the name of these two compounds? What's the name of this? Who can tell us the name for this? Please, can you see it perfectly? We are not talking, no. Okay,
Yes, sir, we can
what's the
see it.
name? What's the name of this compound?
One bromopropane.
Here, one one
Propane.
propane. Do we all agree? One bromopropane. Do we all agree? One bromopropane. Do we all agree? You are not talking, no. Why are we not talking?
No, sir.
Okay, what's the name? Someone said this is one propane, and I said we all agree that this is one propane. Another person. Okay, without wasting much of our time. So this is bromine. This is bromine. This is bromine. How many bromine do we have there altogether? It is three. Do you understand? So, and three in organic chemistry means what? Tri. Do you understand? All of them are on carbon number one. If very sorry, is the problem of the network. Sorry. So I think we can see now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. So we have bromine. We have bromine here. We have it here. We have it here. That's and they are on carbon number one. So instead of writing 111, try bromo propane. So propane. So it doesn't make sense in chemistry. So far they are on carbon number one. We just write try bromo what? Try bromo what? Propane. Are we together? When we can write number is that whenever we have bromine at carbon number two as well, we can write 1,2 or 1,12. Are we together? So, but this is the correct name, tribromopropane. Are we together? Do you all understand that? Hello?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Um, Hikma. Is it Hikma or Aisha? I think it's Aisha. Aisha, are you
Ah,
with us? Yes. Do
yes,
you
sir.
now understand that it is tribromopropane? Are we
Propane.
together?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Nah.
Fine. So now, what will be the name for this? This is alicyclic, right? It is alicyclic, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And alicyclic with how many carbon atoms?
3.
3 carbon atoms. Thank you very much for that. So, but don't forget that on the attachment of this joint, which is carbon atoms, we have CH3. Is that also?
Yes, sir.
We also have CH3, right? Attaching to this as well. That is that we have carbon here, we have carbon here, and also have carbon here. Are we together?
Yes,
So
sir.
this will serve as the substituent. This will also serve as the substituent, which is CH3, CH3. So it now depends on whether to start counting here or here. If you start counting here, you count 1, 2, 3, right? Are we
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
together?
sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
if you want to start counting your number here, you can start here as well. 1, just name it 2, 3. Are we together? It's still the same thing. Are you getting it, please? Why do we start
Yes.
Yes,
here?
sir.
Because of the substituents. You know, I said wherever the substituent near is when you are going to start your counting. So for alkane family, are we together? Did you get it
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
right?
sir.
So now that shows that methyl is at carbon number one and is also at carbon number what? Carbon number two. It will now be what? 1, 2. How many methyl do we have? 2.
2. Die.
We have dimethyl. And don't forget that it is alicyclic. And cyclic with 3 carbon atoms. It is called what? Cyclic with 3 carbon atoms is called what? Let's talk now. Don't we know it anymore? 1,2-dimethyl. You know, okay, carbon with 3 atoms. 3 carbon atoms is called what? Is what?
Cy-
Cyclic. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I said carbon with
cyclo.
3 atoms in alkane.
Cycle,
What do we call it?
cyclopropane.
It is called cyclopropane. So 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane.
Propane.
Put it together. Yeah, let's put it down. So 1,2-dimethyl cyclopropane. Any question? Do you all understand? Any question? Please let me know,
Yeah.
please.
Sir, please explain it again.
I should explain it. Okay, fine. So, okay. Have you written this? The second
Yes,
one
sir.
here. Okay. This is what we have. Are we together? So at
Yes,
this
sir.
joint, I see what we do have here is carbon. Abi, what we do have here
No.
is carbon. This is also carbon, right? So
Yes, sir.
you all understand that everything is complete because when you count the total numbers of bonds that surround this carbon is 4. For this carbon, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? For this carbon, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? This as well, 1, 2, 3, 4. This as well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Complete. Now, if you now want to name, this is alicyclic. It is what? Alicyclic.
Alison.
And it is in form of rings, right? So, and we said alicyclic with 3 atoms is called what? Alicyclic is just like cycloalkane. This is alkane. Why do we call them cycloalkane? Because they are carbon to carbon single bond. They are carbon to carbon what? Single bond.
Single bond.
We have cycloalkane. You also have cycloalkyne. So as I said, I explained everything about that. So carbon to carbon single bond belongs to alkane family. But now this one is now in rings. So it is alicyclic. So we call them cycloalkane because it is in cyclic, and as well it is also carbon to carbon single bond. That's why we call them what? Cycloalkane. Do you understand? It follows normal method. So, and this one is carbon with 3. And we said alkane with carbon of 3 is called what? Propane, right?
Okay.
So this one is 1, 2, 3. That's why we call it 3. So definitely it is in form of alicyclic, cyclo. We call it, the name ending will be cyclopropane.
Okay.
Are we together? That will be the
Yes,
name
sir.
ending. Now, after we've known that it is cyclopropane, we know that here is the substituent, CH3. Here is also substituents, another CH3. Are we together? Now, you can start your counting from this side. Why? Because we know that we said where your substituent is when you start your counting. Because your substituent is here. So if you said you want to count it like this, 1, 2, 3, you know that your substituent is not here.
Yes, sir.
So it will just be like 1, 3. And there is a way that we can count that. Okay, we can count from here and said this is carbon number 2, which is 1, 2, 3. Do you understand? It seems that we have 1, 2. Likewise, 1, 3 that we said already. So we look towards that. When you have 1, 3 and 1, 2, which one are you going to pick? Is it
1,
1?
2,
1,
1, 2.
Yes, you are going to pick 1,
2.
2, because when you add the number together, it gives you 3. When you add 1, 3 together, it gives you what? 4. That's
4.
why we go for 1,
4.
2. Are we together? So now, in this
Yes, sir.
case, we know that this is methyl as carbon number 1, and you also have methyl as carbon number what? Carbon number 2.
What?
It will
Carbon
now
number
be
2.
what? 1, 2. How many methyl? 2
Two.
dimethyl.
Yes.
1,
Cycle.
2
Cyclopropane.
cyclopropane.
Methyl
That's the name.
cyclopropane.
Are we together? So that's just the name.
Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So let me just give you one example more. So when you have what's going on? You don't understand.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
It seems that you are just coming. That's why. So let me just re-explain for people's sake. So we have this, and we know how we name. This is alicyclic. But I told you that because it is carbon, and we know that carbon to carbon single bond. When you have carbon to carbon single bond, and you now have single bond at the middle, carbon to carbon single bond. When you have carbon to carbon single bond, it means it is alkane. It belongs to alkane. But when you now have something like these rings, it means it is alicyclic, which is cyclo. Are we together? But so far it is carbon to carbon single bond between them. we call it cycloalkane. Are we together? Cycloalkane. So it takes in two different things into account. Number one is that due to the fact that it is carbon to carbon single bond. Number two is that because it is what? It is in rings. Are we together? That's why we call them cycloalkane. Are we together? Now, and alkane with 3 carbon atoms. Alkane with 3 carbon atoms. It is propane. Are we together? Because it is in rings, we call it cyclo. Anything that is in rings, you call them cyclo. Why? Because it is 3 carbon atoms, it is propane. That's why we call them what? Cyclopropane. Are you following, please? So now,
Yes, sir.
thereafter, we have our CH3 here. We also have CH3 here. And I told you when naming alkane, you start where your here. So we can start either 1, 2, 3, or you start here and say this one is 1, 2, 3, so that you can satisfy your substrate. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
You can say that you can start here 1 and you name this one as 2 and name this one as 3. You can't say 1, 2, 3. Why? Because you still have your substituent here. So you can have your substituent, it will now be 1 dimethyl cyclopropane. We can have 1, 2 dimethyl cyclopropane. Why can't we go for 1, 2? You know that the lowest number is the real name. When you add up the number together, and the one with the lowest number is the what? Is the real name. That's why we have this. So we now said instead of naming it like that, we said we have 1, 2, 3. And our substance is at carbon number 1. This is the carbon. This is the substance attached to it. Carbon number 1. I also have substituents here attaching to this carbon number 2. We now have 1, 2. Because how many methyl do we have? We have 2 methyl. And 2 methyl is called what? Di. If it is 3, what do we call it? We call it tri. I will get that. 1, 2 dimethyl cyclopropane. My brother, do you understand now? Understand? Okay, fine. So another thing we want to account, okay, is have who can tell me where are we going to start our counting? I'm going to start our counting. Hello, are you with me?
We start from the right side.
We start from the right side. Starting from the right side.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why are we starting from the right side? This is right. Yeah. When you're looking at the screen like that, this is your right side. So why are we starting from the right side? Answer the question.
Because that is where our substance close to the right side. We have our substance.
Because the bromine is nearer to the right side.
I said, are we starting? Someone said
On the
we have
right
our
side.
substitute. Is that so? Is that so?
Yes, sir.
What are our substitutes here?
Yes,
What are those
yes,
substitutes
yes,
that we
yes.
have here? What are the substituents we have here?
Bromine,
Bromine.
bromine.
Bromine. Are you sure
Yes, sir.
bromine is our substitute?
Yes, sir.
Bromine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So that definitely we are starting here 1. Abi, this one is 2, this one is 3, this one is 4. Now, okay, can you all tell me the name of this compound like this?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, let's talk. Oh yeah, go on with the name. What's the name?
112 try bromo.
One,
One
one,
one
two,
two
To try
try
bromo.
bromo
Bromo.
bromo.
butane.
Actually, this
Bromocyclo.
Bromo
Yes, sir.
butane.
is
Cyclovan.
cyclo.
So we can
Have
also
cyclo
say
here.
now
We can also say what?
we can also
We can
say
also say what?
3 try bromo butane. No.
3.
No.
Yes, now. Oh,
Okay, someone said no.
It can be 3.
wait. Oh, we have one. Okay, no.
No. Okay, are you sure we get this thing? We get it right? Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Are we sure? Just only one person is answering my question. I will get it right.
Oh, your voice is cracking.
I can't hear you. What you said?
Your voice is cracking.
My voice.
Yes, we can say 1
Can
2.
you hear me? Yeah. Can you hear me now?
It's cracking.
No, sir, it is cracking.
Wow, that's not the problem now. Hey, it is not this network.
It's better now.
Let me know. Better now, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I said, do we agree that this is our answer? Do we all
No,
agree?
No.
Okay.
no.
What's your own answer?
Because that first bromo is in carbon 1 and the second one too is in carbon 1. So we can just say
Okay.
2 bromo and 2 try bromo butane.
You
Since the
can now
first carbon and
said,
the second
okay, so far it is on carbon number 1. We can now said 1, 2,
2 try
try
bromo
bromo
butane.
butane.
Yes, sir.
Okay, who else again agree with what she said now?
No, I don't agree.
You did not agree with it. Okay,
Yes.
why? Why?
Because if you actually transcribe um the naming,
Mm-hmm.
we will we will not be sure maybe the try maybe it is for 2 or 1. The third number maybe it is 2 or 1.
Thank you very much. So, exactly, my sister that said this. I understand why you mean this because of the first question that we did. The first question that we did, I just said you call it tribromo propane the other time. So, but what determines the position? This one is telling us the number that we actually put in here is telling us the position in which those bromine are. The first one is at carbon number 1. The second one has carbon number 1. The third one is at carbon number 2. That's why we are putting tri. If perhaps we should have 1, 2 tribromo, it means that we are actually signifying that the bromine that is there is 2. Are you getting it, my sister?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you all get it right? So
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
I'll come back with the question that I wrote the other time. So I'm coming back to it that we Now I said it is tribromo. So let me just give you that question. This is that question. When you have something like this, we have bromine, we have bromine, we also have bromine here. We have hydrogen, we have hydrogen, we have hydrogen here, this as well. So I now ask you that what's the name of this compound? Where are we going to start counting? Is it from our right side, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Definitely we
Complex.
start here. 2, 3.
Yes.
It means that all this bromine is attached to carbon what?
1.
Number one.
1. So it means that we should say 1, 1, 1, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Try bromo what?
Bromo.
Boom.
Bromo
Propane.
what?
Propane.
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 Bromo propane.
Propane.
So exactly that's what it means. So and that's the name that should be. But in what's it called? When we reach isomerism, you know, when we are talking about the isomerism from your knowledge of your secondary school that you know, they said isomerism is just when you have two or more compounds that have the same what? That have the same molecular formula but different structure. Is that not so?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, yeah, when you have something like this and you have bromine, H, H, and you have H like this, what actually, how are we going to name it? You know, this, we actually start counting from here, right? Because these are substituents. Is that also? We said it is one bromo what?
Propane.
Bromo
Propane.
propane. But in organic chemistry, whenever you have just carbon number 1, whereby you have your substituent on only carbon number 1, they regard it as N-bromopropane. What do I call it? N what?
N.
N.
Propane.
Propane.
Bromopropane. Because they know that it is actually number 1. Likewise, it's just the application of that mathematics that they brought here. That whenever you have X, you know that it is 1X. Is that also? They will have,
Yes,
they
Yes,
will
sir.
sir.
say you have invisible 1. Is that also? Yes, that's why,
Yes.
that's how as well they recognize this as what we mean. So this N stand from when N equals to 1, when N equals to 2. Are we together? So, but here,
Yes.
instead of naming it 1-bromopropane, the scientists, they agree that it is called what? Bromopropane.
Propane.
Are we together? It means that
Yes, sir.
what actually it means is that this bromine is at carbon number 1. Are we together? But if this bromine, if we shift it from here and we put it at carbon number 2, it won't be 1-bromopropane again, Abi.
Yes, sir.
What will be the name? What will be the name for
Two,
this?
two, two
Two bromo
bromopropane.
propane.
2-bromopropane. We cannot name
Propane.
it bromopropane because the position of bromine has shifted from 1 to what? To 2.
2.
2.
Two.
Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that's just the application that we need to apply here. So far it is on carbon number 1. So far it is on carbon what? Carbon number 1. We don't name it 111 tribromo-propane. So they now
Propane.
said they add it to that. So far it is carbon number 1. They now said it is what? Tribromo. bromopropane.
Propane.
Are we together? What it's I actually
Yes, sir.
signify is that this bromine is actually we have it means that 3-bromine is on carbon number 1. I don't know if you get me right.
Yes, sir.
So it actually signifies that this bromine is at carbon number what? Carbon number 1, the bromine. So that's why we name it what? Tribromopropane.
Propane.
Are we okay with that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, another way that you might, do you need to write it down? Do we?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's write it down. Are we done with it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, so far we've known that. So another format that they do use in chemistry, another format that they do use in chemistry is that they will just write all this. So the format that they do use as well is they will just have something like this. They'll just write CH3, CH2, C into bracket Br3. So these are other format that they are going to write. So we will be the one to split it. We know that CH3, it means that carbon with 3, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
CH2, it means carbon with 2 hydrogen.
Mm.
Yes.
Also,
Yes, sir.
the last one is what? Bromine. How many bromine do we have there? In
3.
Three.
terms of bromine.
Three.
That's yes, that's actually another way to write it. So when we see anything like this, we should be able to split it. Are we together? So this is
Yes,
still
sir.
what? Tribromo what? Propane.
Tribromo.
Propane.
Propane.
Okay. Now let me just give you one question. So that let me just give you one question. I will see who is the fast learner here. If you can get it right. Let's see how we are going to have it. We have CHBR. You have a question.
No, sir, that was a
Taufiko.
mistake.
Okay,
No,
it's a
that was a
mistake.
mistake.
Okay. Okay, it's Taufik. Okay, what's the name of this compound? You can tell us fast. Yeah. Just tell us the name of this compound.
One 113
113 di.
dibromo.
113
One,
tri.
113
one, three. Is it
Tri.
tri or tri? Tri,
Try
dibromo.
Tribromo
bromo,
painting.
propane.
Painting.
We all agree that it is 113 tribromopropane.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We all agree. So when you split it, we have hydrogen, we have the bromine here, also have bromine here, right? We have carbon with 2 hydrogen. We have another carbon, 2 hydrogen with 1 bromine. Where are we start counting? Is it from this side or from this side?
From the left side.
From the left.
From the left side.
Why don't we start from the right side?
Because the left side have to
Because
The
Two
left side
substituents.
has 2 substituents. Thank you very much. So if perhaps you start from here and you start 1, 2, 3, this will be 1, 3, 3. Is that also 1, 3, 3 tribromo? And when you have 1, 3, 3 tribromo, when you add it together, 1 plus 6, that's 7. And this one is what?
5.
So it means that this is the real name. I will take that. It means you are following. Others, I can't mention your name because I could not see your name very well. Please, others, understand.
Arise.
Yes, sir.
Others,
Arise.
I could see Mariam Ajani. I don't know if you are following also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure you understand it?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, that's actually good. So that's how we name. You should have known any thing you or any naming of organic compound that is alkane that you met. So you should, or that you will be meeting. So you should be able to what? To solve it, right? So now let's go to alkane. How do we name alkane compound? Alkane. So there is no difference, but the actually difference is that we give priority to where the double bond is near rather than the substituent. Are you getting what I'm saying, please?
Yes, sir.
I said we give priority to what?
Where the double bond is, rather
Bond
than the
is
subsequent.
rather than the what? Rather than the substituent. So that's the difference. So we don't have anything than where the double bond is. So for example, when you have something like this, example, is this correct?
It means 1H up.
No.
It's not correct.
It
It means 1H
Check very well.
here.
It remains
It's
one
correct.
H where?
Hydrogen.
No,
No, the
correct.
One
second
hydrogen.
Yeah,
carbon.
No.
yeah, right?
No.
Yes.
No,
No, it's correct. It's
No.
correct. It's correct.
Okay, it's
It's
correct.
correct, right? That's
Yes.
fine.
Yes.
That's fine.
So good.
So we have when you count the bond that surround this carbon, it is 1, 2,
Okay,
3,
yes,
4.
it's carbon.
1, 2, 3, 4. And you can't do is 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine, right? That shows that you are following. So now, how do we now start counting? These are double bond. The double bond here is near the carbon here, right?
Yes, sir.
So that shows that we start counting here, irrespective. You know, the substituent that we have here is near this carbon, right?
Yes.
So now, between the substituent and this, we give priority to the double bond rather than the substituent. Are you together? That shows that we are to start our counting here. 1, 2, 3. Now, how do we now know the position of our double bond?
Wow.
You know the position of your double bond due to the bonding that attached to the what? To the carbon atom. This carbon number 1, if you want to count it, if you want to count the bond that surrounds this carbon, you count it as what? 1, 2, 3, 4. That shows that your double bond is near these carbon atoms. Are we together? Because we start our counting from here, because our double bond is here. Okay, let me just give you one example. When we have something like this, we have something like this, have something like this. So now, who can tell me where our double bond here? Where can we start counting our
right side?
Right.
Right side. Why? Because the double bond is near these carbon atoms. Because when you count it here, 1, 2, that shows that the double bond is at carbon number what? Carbon number 2. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
So if perhaps we have another thing here, we have it here. So where are we going to start counting? You have another C here, don't forget it. Left side, right? So that shows that if you want to count now, if you want to count, you start counting from this place, and you say 5, 6. Who can tell me the position of our double bond here?
3.
On what? Okay, count like this. 1, this one, 2, 3. Double bond here. So that's why we said it is on carbon number what? Carbon number 3. We all get how we do count it now. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
So that's it.
Yes, sir.
So it is on carbon number 3. So let's now move to the naming of that compound. So we know that our double bond is on carbon number 1, right? It's on carbon number 1. Okay, fine. So how do we now name it? Bromine is here on number 3. How many bromine do we have here?
2.
2. Now, when you have this, the double bond is at carbon number 1. Are we together? And how many carbon do we have here? Hello?
Sir?
Okay, that's hello. Mute is our mic. Okay, that's I think Mariam, okay. Mariam should mute. Are we following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. So we have how many carbon atoms do we have here? 3, Abby. 3 carbon atoms.
Yes, sir.
And don't forget it is double bond. And double bond is alkene. Double bond is alkene, right? And when we have carbon with 3 in alkene, it means it is propane, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Propane. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
bromine, that's the name ending should be propane. Propane. Now, the bromine is at carbon number what? Carbon number 3.
Number 3.
Abby? Is it now
Yes, sir.
B? Three,
Three.
three, uh-huh.
Die. Die.
Die. Die.
Propane.
Die what? Is it
Bromine.
hydrogen
Head.
or dibromine?
Dibromine.
Bromine.
Eh? Is
Dibromine.
it
Bromine.
dibromine or dibromo?
Yeah. Dibromopropane.
Dibromopropane. We have dibromopropane. Are we together? We have three.
Like not clear.
Okay. Mariam, you can mute your mic. Fine. So we have 3. Okay, how do we get it? So when we are dealing with the naming of, we said we are going to give priority to the double bond rather than the what? The substituent. You know, normally in our alkane family, where our substituent is near, that's where we start counting. But reverse is the case here. So far we have double bond, we give priority to the double bond here, rather than what? Other than the substituent. That's why we start our counting from this carbon. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, on this, we said we have 3 carbon atoms, and it belongs to alkane family. And number 3 carbon is what? Prop, right? Because of the alkane family, it is propane.
Yes.
It is what? Propane.
Proper.
Now, bromine is on carbon number 3, and we have 2 bromine. We have 1 bromine here, and we have 1 bromine here, making it 2 bromine, right? And I
Yes,
said
sir.
halogen family, when you want to name them in organic chemistry, you name them bromo, iodo, chloro, fluoro, astato, and so on and so forth. Are we together? Now, we now have 3 dibromo, because we have bromine and it is on carbon number 3. The 2 is on carbon number 3. That's why we have what? 3 dibromopropane. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Now, in organic chemistry, you need to know, we also name the position in which the double bond is. What do I say? We are going to name the position in which the double bond is what? Is. Now, the double bond is on carbon number what?
Carbon
Number
number
1.
Number 1. Yes.
One.
We can also say
3.
3 dibromo
propane.
one
Prop. 1.
One thing.
prop what?
1.
Propane.
One thing.
Prop 1 in. Why do we name it prop 1 in? Because the double bond, this is signifying that the double bond is on carbon number what? Carbon number 1.
Number one.
Are we getting it, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, which one is now the actual name between the first one and the second one? Don't forget
The
that.
second one.
Wait.
second one.
Don't forget that I told you that anything number 1 in propane, we always remove that 1. Anything in organic chemistry that is number 1, that everything belongs to 1. Instead of writing prop 1 in, we name it propane only. Both of them are correct, but the scientists, they prefer naming it propane, except if this double bond is on carbon number 2. I will give you an example. Let me just give you one example here. Don't worry, you will soon write that one. Don't worry. So, how do we go about it? So when we have something like this, we have Is this correct? Let's check.
No, sir.
Okay. Where are we lacking?
The right side.
The last carbon.
Right side, right?
The last carbon. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. That shows that you are following. Okay. Now, where are we going to start counting? Is it from the right side or from the left side?
From the left side.
From the left.
Why can't we start from the right side?
Right hand side.
Because the
Because
Yeah,
we
the
are
same
in
thing.
alkene,
double
we
bomb.
can't from the way
Well,
we have double one.
well, we can't
Right hand side.
two. These double ones still fall on carbon number 2. Is it
Yes.
so? When you also start from here, 1, 2, it means that the double bond as well falls on carbon number 2. Oh, you are not seeing what I'm seeing. Are you seeing it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Can you feel it? Either of the two, right?
No.
Now go
I
to
think from
probability.
the right side.
We start from the right hand side. So
If we start from the right hand side, right?
Yeah.
Someone should convince me why are we going to start from the right side and why we are not going to start at the left side. Because both of them, when we start from the right side, the double bond falls on carbon number 2. When you start from the left side, the double bond also falls on carbon number 2.
You start
Because
from
you can
the
start from
we
the
have our substituents close the
different
right hand side.
The
from
substituent is
side.
starting from
It's
the right
because
side.
our substituent, yes, our
yes.
substituent is here as well. Okay, thank you very much for that. Okay, we'll still come there. So if perhaps we name here 1, 2, 3, 4, right? We have carbon number 4, and carbon number 4 in our king family is what?
Ethane.
Butane.
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 Alkene. You know this one is alkene.
Yes.
Butane.
Butane.
Butane. We are going to have butane, right? We have our bromine as carbon number 1, and we have our chlorine as carbon number 2. Okay,
Yes,
what will
sir.
now be the name, please? Yeah. What will be the name?
Yeah.
One bromo.
One bromo.
One
Why is it
bromo.
not 2 chloro?
No. It's in alphabetical
Because
order.
We need to
Yeah.
name it alphabetically. If our bromine is here, that shows that we are going to start at carbon number 2. And we said 2 bromo, 1 chloro. Are we getting it?
Yes, sir.
It seems you are following. It will now be 1 bromo,
2
1
chloro.
bromo,
Chloro.
2 chloro,
Chloro.
1
Dibutane.
bromo, 2
2
chloro,
chloro. Dibutane.
dibutene. Is it dibutene?
No, sir.
It will now
in.
be put.
Okay.
2 in.
This is on
But-
carbon
but-
number 2. It will now be
Yes.
2 in.
In.
Are we together? Our double bond falls at carbon number what? Carbon number 2. That's why we have put 2 in. 1 bromo, 2 chloro, put 2 in. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you all understand? Okay, if perhaps we now start from here, if we start our counting, should we write it? Let's write this before I will explain everything. Write this. Write this. We are going to do alkyne as well now. Here. So after that, we should be able to name any compound that we are meeting in the future.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, the one we did now.
The one we did.
Now,
Yes.
why is it not die?
Yes.
Die butsu in.
Why is it not die but two?
Yes.
When something is two, that's when we have die.
Yes.
But it is not that we have two different double. We only
Okay.
have one double bond. Are we together? If perhaps that we have two double bond, there is still how we name it. Do we understand? Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we are still coming there. Don't worry. Are we done with the writing?
Yes, sir. You mean
Remains the
Almost
second
there.
one.
the second
Yes.
one? Yes.
Let's quickly write it.
Imagine.
Okay, are we done with it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if perhaps you start from this point, you start here. Now you now said you name 1, 2, 3, 4. You know your bromine is on carbon number 4. It's now before bromo, right?
Yes, sir.
3 chloro, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Put 2 in. So you now apply. You apply your counting. You know that this one is the real name. Is that not so? So that's
Yes,
how
sir.
we
Yes,
talk
sir.
about it. Any questions so far? Any question?
Yes, sir.
No question. Okay, that's fine. So let's do one more example so that everything will be clear now. So if we have something like this, okay, assuming we have this, we are going to start our counting
On the
from
left hand side.
from this side, right?
Yes,
From
sir.
the left.
No, sir. From the
From
right
here,
hand side.
from
Left.
this right, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
On
Right
the right.
hand side.
Right.
From
Right.
right to left. Why?
Because our double bond.
We have our first double. We have our double bond here, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Fine, fine. So that's good. Is this complete or not?
No.
It's complete.
It's complete.
It's complete.
Okay.
Right.
Yes.
So we start counting here. One. This double bond is on carbon number one, and the second one is on carbon number 2, 3, and 4. Right?
Yes, sir.
4.
Can we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Of course.
We have our bromine. Between bromine and methyl, which one are we going to first name?
Bromine.
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 Bromine. What are we going to have? We have one bromo,
Bromo.
mhm,
3 methyl.
2.
3
3 methyl.
methyl,
4
Hey.
1 2 in.
we have the double bond at carbon number 1, and we have it at carbon number 2, Abi.
2. Yes.
So it will now be boots,
4. Okay, good.
1,
2
2,
in. In.
diene.
Okay, that.
We have 1 bromo, 3 methyl, boots, 1, 2, diene. Are we together? Why do we name it diene? Because we have two, as you
2
re-explain.
double bond.
Yes, sir.
Now we have 2 double bond here at carbon number 1 and carbon number 2. And when we have 2 in chemistry, it means di. Is that not so?
Yes, sir.
It's butene.
Ojo.
Who is that now? This is butene. So now we all understand how we name 1 bromo, 3 methyl, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, but we have our double bond at carbon number 1, and we also have another one at carbon number what? Carbon number
But
2.
2.
Because we have 4 carbon atoms as the 4 carbon atoms as the longest chain. I don't know if you get it right.
No.
Yes, sir.
So that's why we have it 1, but 1. We have double bond at number 1. We also have it at carbon number what? Carbon number 2. That's why we have but 1, 2, because there are 2 diene. If you have but 1, 2 in, they will be looking at you like, did you know what you are doing? Do you know what you are doing? So because you need to identify, even if at all they did not see this compound, when they see your answer, they will know that the word die, it means that the double bond is as carbon number 1 and carbon number 2.
Mm.
Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are we getting it? Now, I'm now coming back to the longest chain. You know, we have branch here. You can see that
Yes.
carbon to carbon 1, carbon to carbon 2, carbon to carbon again.
Yes.
This one can also be our substituent. Is that also? If we can't eat branch, you know, I said either you can't eat branch or what? Or straight.
Straight.
I don't know if you are still getting it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's write this first before I explain what I want to explain.
Bromo. Chloro. Chloro. Alo.
Are we done with it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So if perhaps we want to count this, the branch, as the longest chain, you know it is also 4 as well. It means that this is our substituent. This substituent is attached to carbon what?
Carbon 4.
No, this substituent.
Carbon 1.
Carbon 3.
Carbon 3 now. This is the carbon 3 before we
Yes.
move here. It's still attached to carbon what? Carbon 3. It is still the same name. If you name it, we are still naming it 1-bromo, Abi. Because this is attached to carbon number 3, it is still what? 3 methyl boot 1 2 diene. Are we together? So that's actually, you should be, whenever you see anything, any hydrocarbon, so you should be able to name them perfectly. You should be able to name them. Okay, ma.
Now when you said is the substituent, the last one on carbon 3 is substituent. Why can't we say 1-bromo, 1-bromo, 3 methyl?
Why is it 3? Okay.
Because it's on 3.
Yes. No, why it is only 3 here is that we've count this as also the principal chain, part of the principal chain. Do you understand now? This is how we count. You know, when we name the other one, we count straight.
Okay.
Are we together? That's why we have this as our substituent. But now we counted branch. So we have this as our substituent, not this anymore.
Okay, this one. Okay.
Are you getting it now?
Yes, sir.
I think you get it right. Any other question? Any other question? Are we done with our writing? Have we written it down?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's fine. Thank you very much for that. Okay, that is time. So let's go to how we name alkane family. Alkyne. How we name alkyne family. So in our next class, we are going to do chemical bonding. So, okay, I shall be looking at it, how we are going to do it. So now, the last one is we have alkyne. We have something like this. This one is also the same thing as alkene family. It's also the same thing as what? Alkene.
Alkane family.
This. Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure it is correct?
Yes,
No,
sir.
it's not correct.
Not
Zero.
correct.
It's not correct. It's not correct.
correct.
It's not
Yeah.
correct because we have 3 bond there.
Yes.
So, and the bond attached to this carbon is 5 now.
Okay.
Thank you. You are seeing. I think you are using an eagle eye to see. Okay, that's fine. Likewise, out of the alkane, we start from where our triple bond is. That's that, irrespective whether the substituent is somewhere. This one is here. Well, who can tell me the longest chain here?
3.
3.
We have
Make sure it is
butane
3.
is 4.
It is 4, right? Because carbon to carbon
Yes,
1,
sir.
carbon to carbon 2, carbon to carbon 3. Don't let this substituent, don't let it convince you. Don't let the substituent convince you. That's why I initially write it like this. Do you understand? You can split this. I told you that we count carbon to carbon before we can identify the substituent. This is carbon to carbon again, carbon to carbon again. Unless if we have CH3 here, that's why we can easily identify our substituent. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4 straight, 1, 2, 3, 4. Another one. So this one will remain your substituent because you cannot come from here and jump here. Are we getting it right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. So far there is nothing here. It means that this is not a substituent. So far we can count carbon to carbon, carbon to carbon, carbon to carbon. Are we following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, exactly. So now, this is, who can tell us this name? They said it is 4. 4 is boot, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's now the name? How many substituents do we have here?
2.
1.
1.
1.
1.
What was the name of that substituent?
Methane.
Bromo.
Bromine.
Eh? Who said
Bromine.
methane now? It is this one now. This is no more a substituent. It is carbon to carbon, carbon to carbon. We have counted it as the longest chain, which is the
Okay, sir.
principal chain. Are you getting it, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is our, and this, we start counting from here, right? This is 1,
Yes, sir.
1.
2, 3, 4. So this triple bond is on carbon number 1. It is 1 bromo,
Butane.
what?
Butane.
Butane.
Butane. Or butane.
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 Because we're very today, you'll be tired. I'm so okay. So let me go to okay.
So butane. So it is butane. So when you have something like this, this is where the problem will now be. Yeah. What's the name of this compound?
We have 1 bromo.
1 bromo. Mm-hmm.
Boats.
Both
2.
2 in.
2 in.
Boots.
Both 2 in.
Boots 2 in.
Yin.
Yes.
Yang.
Time. 1 bromo butane.
Okay.
Yang. It's not true now.
Boots. Yeah.
But
Do you all agree that it is in?
But
No, it's
no, it's not in. It's not in.
butane.
But wine.
Someone has gotten it before. So it is one bromo, because when you start naming here, you can either start from the left or from the right. But due to the fact that our substituent is here, that's why we are starting here. 1, 2. The triple bond falls on carbon number 2, right? So it is
Yes.
1 bromo, but 2, because the triple bond is on carbon number what? Carbon number 2. But 2 iron is what? But 2 what? Iron.
Aye.
It's not going, no. It's
Iron.
not that. Iron, no, going.
Ain.
It is 1 bromo with 2 iron.
Wow.
Are we together?
Yes,
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 sir.
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 Any problem so far? No problem.
No.
Sir.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, any question?
No, sir.
Do you all
Sir.
understand?
Sir.
Sir, is there
Okay.
a possibility of having 3 bonds? 2, 3 bonds.
Okay, you said something now. I did not hear you.
I said,
can't
is
hear
it
you.
possible to have 3 bonds? Like 2, 3 bonds?
Yes, it is possible that we have it.
So how are we going to
Should
name
I
it?
give you an example?
Yes.
Sir.
Okay. Yes. Someone should have said something now. Or you won't say something until I'm done with it.
Yes. Eh. Because carbon is not complete.
Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
It is correct.
No.
Nine,
No.
2, 3.
It's
No
going to
correct.
What,
No.
what's the problem?
okay. Yes, the second one
The second one is 5.
is 5.
Which one is the second one?
The second
The
by
What is
the
on the
left
second
side.
one?
By the left
What's
side
the
is
by the
on
left.
what's on the second one that you said is not correct? I did not see it.
like if you count by the left side 1, 2, 3, the third carbon.
The third carbon.
Yes.
What's on it? What's on
And we
it?
have five bond is attached to that carbon.
5 not 5. Yes.
Is it hydrogen? Is it the one that is carrying hydrogen or the one that is carrying bromine?
The one that is carrying
That guy is
bromine.
bromine.
That's what I want you to say. The one that's carrying. Okay. Okay. Where we start counting? Is it from the right or from the left?
From the right.
Right.
Why is it from the right?
Because our bond
Because,
Our-
attached to
Yeah,
the
right. It falls on carbon
yeah,
number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who can tell me what position do we have at the two different double bonds? Position what? We have it at
position
position
1 and 3.
1 and
4.
1 and 4.
1 and 4.
4.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3,
1
4.
and 4. 1 and 4. Because you count it like this. 1, Abby. 2,
Yes, sir.
3. Kòkòrò ló ń jẹ́ wà, àbí kí lẹ wí? Okay.
No.
Fine. We can feel it that we all understand how we are getting it now. So now how do we now name it? We have bromine at carbon number 1 and bromine at carbon number what? Carbon number 6.
Number 4.
Which is what?
Number 6.
Yes. We now have what? 1, 6, right? Dibromo.
Dibro.
Dibromo. That's what I
Fine.
be. What's our longest chain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
5, 6.
6 is our longest chain. And 6 is what?
Exit.
Exine.
Exine.
Yes. It now be eggs.
Dibromo.
1,
One.
1,
4,
Die.
die.
Yin. Nine.
Die what?
Da.
Aye.
Ain.
Ayin.
Anyhow,
Ainu.
I call it going. There's nothing concerning me. So that's it. So that's my brother. Have I answered your question?
Yes, sir.
So fine. So any questions? So we should be able to name any compound that we've seen. We should be able to name it perfectly without doing any mistake. And we should be the one to be telling jam series that this one is not correct. This one is not correct. Is that okay?
Inshallah.
So I think we solved the problem of impact nomenclature. Thank you very much. So I think this is where we are going to stop for today. So our next class, we are going to start with the types of reaction. Types of what? Reaction.
Yeah.
Yes, because we have different types of.
On organic chemistry.
No. So we have done this is what we want to do for organic chemistry 1. So we are going to inorganic back. We've done acid, base, and salt, right?
Okay, sir.
Yes, I have a question for you. Everybody. So could you follow me?
Yes, sir.
Let's go, sir.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, what's the question I have for you? We did something on pH. Is that also?
Yes, sir.
Now,
What do I call pH for you? What's the full meaning of pH? I'm still asking a question. Potential of what?
Of hydrogen.
Potential of what?
Potential
Potential of hydrogen. And we have the formula.
Of hydrogen.
Yes, fine. We said the pH is defined as what? Negative logarithm of hydrogen ion to base 10, right? Yes. Who can tell me what's log 2 base 10? What's the value? Log 2 base 10. Don't check your book. Log 2 base 10.
0 point. 0 point.
0.3010.
0.6010.
0.3010.
0.
I initially want to ask you this question because I know that most of you have forgotten. What of log 3 base 10? Log 3 base 10 is what?
0.477.
You check it.
No, sir.
Class. You know what? 47.
7.
47 what? 477.
7.
What of log 5 base 10? Log 5 base 10.
0.699.
This one is checking his book. Oh. This one is checking his book. 0.699. Okay, I will ask you a question that you won't answer now. What of log 7 base 10? Someone wants to type it on his calculator or this one calculator, or you check online. I catch you guys. Okay, fine. So
0.845.
use calculator. So now where I'm going exactly is that okay, when we have log 20 base 10.
Olaf Pal. Òjò ti sú.
So
Hmm.
I'm very sorry. So very sorry. So log 20 base 10, we said it means log 2 times 10, right? Base 10.
Yes,
Is that not so? And
yes,
it
sir.
means that log 2 base 10, this multiplication means addition, right? Log 10 base 10 plus log 10 base 10. And log 10 base 10 is what?
1.
One.
1. What is log 2 base 10? You already know that log 2 base 10 is what?
0.0301.
plus
0.3010.
1. 1 plus 0.3010. It means what? It is what?
1.3010.
Is what?
1.311010.
1.3010.
That's the answer. So I'll not give you a question now. Yeah, let's put it down. So time has gone. Hey, should we proceed or we should stop?
So go on.
We should
Go on,
proceed.
okay. So now you are given an equation that they said find the hydrogen ion concentration, find the pH, find the pH of a solution. Okay, don't let me use that. So it will be something of complex. So because someone said find the pH. You know the pH means potential of hydrogen, right?
Yes, sir.
Find the pH whose the concentration of H2SO4 is 0.01. Is what? 0.01. This is the question. They said find the pH whose the concentration of in which, sorry, let me use whose, in which the concentration of H2SO4 is what? 0.01. Are we together? No.
Yes, sir.
What we are doing with pH? Can someone do it for us? Or no idea? You have any idea? No idea. You can try. Yeah. Let's do it. Just 2 minutes. Let's try and give me the answer. I know the answer. I just picked the question from my head. So this is molar, capital letter M, molar. And what do I call molar for you in our class? Molar means
Concentration.
concentration. Thank you very much. Yeah, what's our answer? Just 2 minutes for you.
What is that?
1.70.
Someone said it is 1.70. Someone said it is 1.70. Do we all get 1.70? Others, don't forget that we are doing jump. We don't have much time. Okay, don't let us waste much of our time. Okay, before you can do anything like this, we have H2SO4, right? And we are given the concentration of H2SO4. Is that okay? But our pH, what does our pH says? pH is what? Negative logarithm of what? Hydrogen ion to base 10. Actually, in our pH, we deal with what? Hydrogen ion. We are going to see that we have H2SO4. We are now going to check if we can get hydrogen ion from this. Actually, we can get it. When you split H2SO4 into ions, what are we going to get? We get H plus and what? SO42 minus. Now, do we still remember
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
electropositivity and electronegativity? Is this equation balanced?
Yes, sir.
Is this equation balanced?
No.
No.
Okay, what else again?
Add 2 to hydrogen.
H2.
We add 2 to hydrogen, which is
Yes.
2 hydrogen. That shows that we have 1 mole of H2SO4 gives 2 mole of hydrogen ion. And 1 mole of H2SO4 gives 1 mole of what? SO42 minus. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
And we are given the concentration of what? Of H2SO4, not that of the hydrogen. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I want to clean it so that I'm just clean this. So far that we've written it. We've written this that we have H2SO4, which gives us H plus SO42 minus. And we have 2. That's that 1 mole of H2SO4 produces what? 2 mole of what? H plus. That's why we want to find H plus. We are looking for H plus. But we were given 0.01 molar of what? Of H2SO4. How many molar of H plus are we going to get? We don't know. That's X. The first thing is that we cross multiply, which is X times 1, X, which is equals to 2 times 0.01. 2 times 0.01 will give us what? 0.02. That shows that the concentration of H plus in the equation is what? 0.02. We need to find the pH. We asked to find the pH. And what's the formula for pH? pH is what? Negative logarithm of what? Hydrogen ion. What? This. Are we together? You know that what's our hydrogen ion? The value of our hydrogen ion now is what? 0.02. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
I think we get it right. So without much others, we know that we should understand that the H plus is 0. We just impute that our pH will now equals to what? Negative logarithm of what? 0.02 base 10. Are we together? You know that in our exam, we don't have calculator. You need to change this to what? To decimal. Or we change it to standard form. If you want to change it to standard form, what will be this thing? It will be pH is equals to what? Minus logarithm to base 10, 2 times 10 raised to power what? Convert it to the standard form. 1, 2, 10 raised to power minus 2. Is that not so?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, exactly. So it means that we can say that our pH is equals to minus into bracket log 2 base 10. So far, this one is multiplication. It will change to what? Addition plus log 10 raised to power minus 2. Is that not so?
Yes.
Are we following, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We close the bracket. Our pH also is equals to negative logarithm. What is log 2 base 10?
0.2010.
Plus. Don't forget that part of the rules that we do use in logarithm is that whenever you have log a raised to power 2, it can be 2 log a. Is that also? These two will come down here. Is that also?
So, yeah.
Do we still remember the rules?
Yes,
You know?
no.
Yes, exactly. So it now signifies that this minus 2 will now come down here and becomes what? Minus 2 log 10. Is that not so? You close the bracket and you close this. So pH is equals to minus 0.3010 plus into bracket minus 2 log 10 base 10 is what?
1.
1. You have 1 and you close the bracket and you now close the overall bracket. Minus 2 times 1.
Minus 2.
Minus 2 times plus. Yes, minus 2. This minus 2 times 1. It is minus 2 now. Minus 2 times this plus. Okay, don't let me scatter your brain. We have minus 0.3010. We have plus minus 2. Is that also? Close your bracket again. So when you close your bracket here, so when you close the brackets, we have pH is equals to minus 0.3010 plus times minus 2. Close the bracket. So 0.3010 minus 2. What do we have? 0.3010 minus 2. What's our answer? pH is equals to minus into bracket 0.3010 minus 2. You should be able to know it offhand now without looking at the calculator. 0.699 minus 1 point, sorry, minus 1 point, minus what? 1.699. Am I correct with what I did here?
Minus 1.699. Yes, that's correct.
That's correct. Okay, thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
We have minus times minus becomes what? This minus plus. We have plus 1.699, which your pH is equivalent to 1.7. Correct. The person that's told us that it is 1.7 is actually correct. So that's the answer. Do we understand how we did it?
Yes, sir.
So, okay, so that you can write it.
Ah.
Let's start from here.
Hmm.
Sorry, from this beginning. Hey, what's
Are you
Are you not
taking
writing
the
down? Eh?
We have already cleaned it.
I've not
Hey, you
cleaned
got,
it. Shebi, you've written the
we
question.
got, we are going,
The,
we are
it,
going, we are going to watch the video.
you
now
go
wait
watch the
to
video.
Yes.
This is where
no,
it's.
it's not you are not the only one that is class. Oh.
This is where you start now. This I started with the equation. Write the equation and let me go back to the up. Let me go back up. So, are we together?
Yes, sir.
Did I take it up?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it starts here. Are we done with it, please?
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'll be fast now. You are a guy. So you are writing jump. You should be fast with it.
Sir, can this question come out in jam?
It's duo.
It's long now.
Come.
It's too long.
Long.
Too long, yeah.
That's why you need to be very fast now. You need to be very fast with it now.
Yes, sir.
So jump is not something that is hard these days. When we are writing jump today, we are seeing 3 something, 350, 390. During our own time, hardly you see someone having 290 in jump.
Yeah.
Hardly someone having 290 in jump or 287 in jump. But
Wait.
nowadays, we see you guys having 330, 330 something.
Because they don't
So
usually give
that
you
shows
enough
that
time.
we don't have enough time during our own. We are doing 400 questions.
Wow.
We did 400 questions
Wow.
2 hours 45 minutes.
Okay.
400 questions during
Wow,
our own time. But now today we are doing 180. We are doing 180 questions.
180 questions for 2 hours.
During our own time, we are going to do 400 questions. English question is 120.
Wow.
I'm 100.
MashaAllah.
2 hours 5 minutes.
Sir, so sorry for that.
That's when we did 400 questions 2 hours for 5 minutes. But now okay, it's 180 questions 2 hours. You see.
Yes.
So hardly you see. Yes, hardly you see. This is the next line after the first one. So hardly you see someone during our own time having 320, 330, 3. Even I personally, I use 247 to enter university. You see how competitive it is. I used 247 to enter university.
Inshallah.
So
Inshallah, it's not so good now.
the result is so poor. So not my
Sir, I'm
expectation,
making
but
you worry.
whatever it is being given, you take it like that. 247.
Qadarullah.
Which one is you know what you guys are using to enter your institution now? If you want to study medicine, do you know what you are going to have before you can study medicine now?
It depends on this.
During our own time for medicine, we still have 260 score. Someone who got 260 and still entering medicine. But then we don't use calculation unlike what you do today. We are going to write post UTME. We are going to write it. So we are going to write post UTME. Are you done with it now? Should I
Yes.
move to another page? Okay, this is another page. So this will now show how you are going to be fast with it. Though they might not set this kind of question because this question is long for you, but during our own time, they do set this kind of question. So I've seen someone who we did jam together that is urinating in his body because of the time. So we see someone who is old enough urinating inside the exam hall. So
Pressure.
it's due to the pressure. So it seems how competitive it is during our own time. But now
So
you
it's competitive
can
now
score
too.
300, 350, even if JAMB is not very, very careful this time around, you are going to see students who's going to score 400.
Inshallah.
So because it is not something that is hard anymore, the JAMB is too soft.
It's not addicting.
Allahu
I can't hear
Akbar.
you, please. So I think it is high time. Are we done with it? So Allah Akbar. So for God's sake, for those of us who are Christian among us, so let us read our books. So